In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your primary account from Microsoft Outlook. This is something you might need to do if you're changing email providers, reorganizing your accounts, or simply doing a bit of digital decluttering. I'll guide you through each step so you understand the process clearly. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer. This is the starting point for managing your email accounts. Once Outlook is up and running, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the File option nestled there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a list of options on the left sidebar, offering a variety of management features for your email accounts. Now locate the Account Settings button. It's going to be visible within the File menu, so once you click File, you should see it listed there. Click Account Settings, and you'll notice a secondary drop-down menu also named Account Settings appearing. Go ahead and click it. This will open up a new window dedicated to managing your accounts. Inside this window, you'll see a list of all the email accounts connected to your Outlook. Find your primary account within this list. It'll likely be the first one displayed, as Outlook sometimes lists these in order of significance or when they were added. Once you've found your primary account, you'll notice a Remove button located at the top of the accounts list. Click on Remove to initiate the process of deleting your primary account from Outlook. At this point, Outlook will guide you through a series of guidelines or prompts. This is to ensure that you completely understand what removing an account means. Pay close attention, as you wouldn't want to accidentally remove information or configurations you might still need. Follow these prompts, confirming your actions as you go along. A helpful tip here is to double-check if you have backed up any important emails or information from this account to avoid losing anything valuable. With the steps followed and guidelines completed, your primary account should now be removed from Outlook. You can double-check by revisiting the account settings. You'll see that the list no longer includes your former primary account. And that's it. Now you're done. You've successfully deleted your primary account from Microsoft Outlook. This process is quite straightforward, but it's always good to move step by step with a guide like this to ensure everything goes smoothly. If you ever need to add an account back, you can do so via the same Account Settings menu. Be sure to keep this guide handy for any future account management tasks with Outlook. Thanks for joining, and feel free to watch more of our guides for additional tech tips and tricks.